Humanity, I love you all with all my heart and might. I'm Jam Jose Alonso Molina. Purpose-driven progress. It's an incredible visual. And then you have purposeful energy that I just described in the previous video. You know, that purposeful energy in our life, how energy purposefully is used to take the right actions. And we just further accelerate that infinite virtuous cycle of energy and purpose. So energy becomes purposeful. So purposeful energy and these states of purposeful energy that go to infinity. And that's what the visual represents. And then the other axis of this visual is the here and now, because the here and now is a human heartbeat. It's the pulse of life, the pulse of creation. And love comes from the heart. And love is the highest energy of creation. So the heartbeat is the here and now, which is energy itself. And when we use that energy of love purposefully, which is purposeful energy, into the highest of levels, then we take action. So because, as I was saying, daily energy has to do with daily action, and that has to do with here and now and energy levels. So when you love in the here and now with the highest of energies, then you take action, and that's a very high level of energy. That action will be a very high action, very high level action, because you're driving that action with your act of loving. Because when you're loving, it's the highest energy, and when you love, you take a purposeful action that is loving, and that's a peak energy. Your energy levels goes to infinity, and when it goes to infinity and connects with the source, then you take action there, and that's a purposeful action, which is purposeful energy here and now, and that's daily action, and that's purpose-driven progress, because each one of those actions is an infinite wave of energy that goes to infinity. And each action happens at that moment in which you're connected with the source of energy, which is everything that exists. And because your consciousness of awareness is the consciousness of awareness of the sun itself, when you take that action and you're one with that infinite energy, that means that that action has an infinite impact at the DNA level, at the infinite level of fractal growth, because everything that we do is stored in our DNA memories anyway. So that has an impact that is infinite. And then you feel great, which is the immediate outcome. You feel happy, and then you're doing things that give you great results. So purpose-driven progress is that daily action based on taking action here and now that is purposeful. So high purposeful energy here and now leads to daily action that becomes purposeful-driven progress. And that goes to infinity. And you can see the visual, how each of those actions is a energy peak that you're taking, and that develops to infinity. Humanity, I love you all.